Welcome to Sámara, our second stop in Costa Rica. This is our apartment we stayed at in Sámara. It's quite small but was affordable. This is actually our move out day, hence all of our stuff everywhere. The kids are playing with a friend they met in the neighborhood, which was one of the best parts of being here. Our kitchen was small but mighty. There was limited counter space and no oven. They did have several spices available and lots of cooking equipment, but we didn't end up cooking as much as we had at our other place. Let's go out on the balcony, which was a lovely space. Over there is the beach, so it's actually a quick walk. This whole grassy area is enclosed by a fence, and there's a 24-hour watchman, which we appreciated. The pool was lovely and kept clean, and that building right there is the laundry facilities, which I'll show you in a bit. Heading back inside, I will head to the main bedroom on this floor where my husband and I slept on this queen bed. It had enough room. There was a TV, although you had to have a hooked to your computer, I think, or something, and we didn't have the right cord, but that's okay. There's a door to the balcony. There was an AC unit, which we used at night especially, and a closet to store some of our stuff. Here's the only bathroom in the place, so our family of 5 shared the bathroom. And this small shower that was quite finicky and not ideal, but lessons learned there. Here's all our stuff ready to go, but let's take you upstairs. This is where my husband worked. He had great Wi-Fi here in Sámara and this spacious desk, so he actually found it great to be working remotely. And there's a short window, and even with the sloping ceilings, it actually worked out great for our kids. So they have 3 beds up here for each of our 3 kids to sleep. There's an AC unit. And yeah, it was a good fit. Now I'll take you over to the laundry room. Here I just wanted to show you they have lovely, huge machines, and they were quite new. I heard they just got them a couple months before we arrived, so we used those. And then here's the horses out our back door. We loved watching them, especially if you can see next to the black one there's a little colt. So it was so cute. But yes, like I mentioned, there was just a quick walk to the beach. I mean, really like 5 minutes. And it was a great beach to explore at low tide. There was lots of tide pools, which the kids loved. And then at high tide, it was great for surfing, especially for learner surfers like our family is. So that's our tour of Sámara. Thanks for tuning in to our stay in Sámara.